I'm playing Phobias today. To see Phobias thunders. The first one I'm gonna do is astrophobia, fear of thunderstorms. Well, I kind of have the fear. Where am I going? I wanna leave. Back from that. Fear of ducks and anatidaphobia. Nah. The next one I want to do is fear of spiders. Very disturbing. Ew! Ew! Gosh, I hate spiders. Oh! Why are there spider webs everywhere? Oh, what's that noise? I don't like that noise. Ew! 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 Let me get out! Ew! This is so disgusting. I want to leave. Please. Oh, that was so gross. New phobias updated. Fear of corn. Man air jobs. Visiting hospitals. Parasites. Lake. Caves. Well, I'm not gonna do those. No, maybe I can do one of them. Man-made objects. Submarine phobia. Or maybe I'll do hodophobia. Fear of visiting. This looks scary already. I don't like walking at night. I'm gonna go back. This looks so scary. Gosh, why would I go down there? I don't like walking at night. Look at this. Agoraphobia. We have situations that might cause anxiety and helpless. Are very disturbing. I won't do that. I have a fear of heights. Ah! Archophobe. Oh! Oh! That's so high. Oh gosh, why was that so high? Can I go back? Finally. That was not that scary, but fear of people was sometimes. Fear of space. Fear of failure. Autophobia plus homophobia. Fear of being alone in blood. Well, I'm gonna have a fear of being being alone. Sometimes I like being alone, but I'm not afraid of blood, because we have blood in our body. Phobia warning: obsessive compulsory disorder, fear of not perfection. I'm not perfect, and I want to see this one. I don't know what it looks like. This is dumb. Well, I do not have a fear of that. I'm gonna go back. Can I go back? How can I go back? All the trees fell. Why did all the trees fell? I thought it would be look uglier. I want to ride one of the cars. Oh, here. That was so cool. Well, how can I go back though? Do I have to go to the roof or something? Okay, we will be right back. And I am back. Well, that was dumb, man. That was dumb, man. I really want to see being alone in blood looks like. Well, I have a fear of haunted dolls. Let me go in. I'm scared of the dark. I'm scared. I don't like the dark. From the horrifying darkness, it said alone and fear. I was alone, but there was no blood. Failure? Yeah, I'm a fear of failure, but not always. Fear of bowling. Fear of stairs. Very disturbing. I don't really have a fear of it, but fear of colors. Fear of time passing. I think I have it. I don't like being old. Fear of dogs. Let me check over here. Fear of graveyards. Fear of tight spaces and sewers. Okay, wait. Let me read the name. It was very disturbing. Where am I? No. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Wow, you're really slow. I'm scared of sewers. Oh my gosh. Ack! Wait. Now I'm gonna do bibliphobia, fear of books, warning, very disturbing. Let's go. The library. This looks like the back rooms. I don't have a fear of books, but this looks like the back rooms. This looks like the back rooms. Oh my gosh. This looks like the back rooms. What is this? We wandered and wandered, thought and thought until he looked behind a shelf and all his problems were gone. What's this? This looks like the back rooms. Oh my gosh, I'm scared of those figures to move. This looks like the back rooms. This looks like the back rooms. I'm so scared. Oh! Back from the horrifying back rooms. Time to go. Fear of space. Oh my gosh, she's so fast. Fear of books was disturbing. I'm also afraid of graveyards. I was afraid of sewers. Fear of making decisions. Fear of trees. Fear of anxiety. I don't know what that's. Pumpkin. Fear of balloons. Fear of visiting. Fear of dizziness. Fear of birds. Fear of mazes and getting lost. I'm going to do phobia. I hope it's not that scary. Oh, why is it so dark? What the? Oh no. I'm a fear of the dark. Ah! That loud noise scared me. What was that? I thought it won't be scary. What was that loud noise? I'm scared of the dark. Also, I'm afraid of getting lost too, and I hate loud noises. Fear of music, fear of hospitals, fear of rain sometimes, fear of dreams. Yeah, sometimes if they're like a nightmare. Pediophobia, fear of dogs, okay. This is going.
Hello, Happy.
Ah, what the? Whoa. Wait, how do you move your freaking head? Look.
Nó vẽ.
I'm gonna come closer to the dog. I'm scared. Hello everyone, I am back. What is this? Why were they deleted? Oh. Let me look over here. I didn't look over here yet. Oops. Okay, back. Phasmophobia. I'm looking for something else. Passing time. Fear of dogs. Fear of being trapped. I have a fear of being trapped. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna scream. I don't really have a fear. Fear of dentists? No. Dermatophobia plus thanatophobia, fear house, and death. I'm not gonna go with that. Fear of house and death. I have a fear of death. I'm not gonna do that very disturbing one. If there were actually, I don't know. Bugs. No. I am a fear of bugs. I'm gonna do this one. Glossophobia, fear of public speaking. I want to see what it looks like. What's this? Where am I? Gosh, that scared me. Everyone, I am now back. That was very dumb. And also, it kind of scared me. With the heartbeat, that kind of scared me. I didn't like it. Fear flutes. My heart is hurting right now. And I'm not going to do fear of stairs. That is very disturbing, and I don't like disturbing things a lot. I did public speaking, and they were laughing at me. I don't like that one. What's this? Oh, we did that. I didn't do that, but I didn't want to do very disturbing. Fear bugs. Now I have a fear of public speaking. Fear of fog. Fear of being touched. Fear of black and white. Fear of flakes. Fear of empty spaces. Empty spaces. Fear of corn. What? No. Fear of the dark. Very disturbing. I'm not gonna do the one that's. I don't like disturbing things. Fear of ice. How's that? Fear of loud noises. I'm gonna put that quiet, very quiet. Quiet a little bit now. How am I gonna do this? I don't care if it's loud. Let me go. Why am I not going inside? I don't like this. Hello everyone, I am back from that not that terrifying. I just left for a second because I don't like it, okay? I don't like being alone. Also, the noise was like creeping me out, so I didn't like it. I didn't like the sound, okay? It was kind of creeping me out. What is this? Fine, I'm gonna do Fear of the Dark. I don't like the dark, okay? Do they have a candle or something? Oh no. Hello everyone. I left so early because I did not like being alone. And it's just like, sometimes people are afraid of the dark and they don't really like what's in the dark and like, well, mostly I'm afraid. What is this? Trypophobia. Since people has this phobia, if you have it, skip this video. Skip this part. Well, I don't know if I do have it. I just looks. This looks creepy and disgusting. Ah! Hello everyone. I didn't know it would be that loud and that scared me. I was disgusted and scared. Were those holes or eyeballs? What is this? No. What is this? Do not cross. I guess that's not really finished yet. Oh no! Fear of monsters! Very disturbing. Terraphobia. Oh, someone's already in there. I'm gonna do it. Oh no, I'm scared. See, finally, someone joined. Ah! Gosh, I am back with that. That was very disturbing and now my heart hurts. I've been screaming for like a lot of times. Can this all be better? No. I'm afraid of death, mostly. I don't really have a fear of house, but I have a fear of death. I don't have a fear of being touched. My soul came out of my body. What is it? Oh no, I was afraid in the dark. Mountains, fear of ice, fear of loud noises that I already did before. Fear phobias? Phobophobia. Phobophobia, fear phobias? Well, these are phobias. I don't really have a fear of a phobia. Parasites? I don't know what are those. This is called submet and phobia. Fear of underwater man-made objects. Let's go see. I'm not teleporting. Now I'm stuck here doing nothing. Hello everyone, I'm gonna do one more, and if you guys want to see new phobias in here, I guess I will do some. I want to see. These are updated. I want to see fear of nosocomial phobia. Fear of hospitals. Oh no. That's all of it for the phobias today. I hope you guys enjoy. Remember to like and subscribe.